What's going on, everybody? Old school Rockford Fosgate here. This box, I had to take some pictures of it before I made the video. As you can see, there's damage to the box here. It's all punched in. So I got another video of me opening up a 800A2, and it turned out that actually, and whenever I moved the end caps from it, it was actually dropped and busted one of the end caps. It also broke one of the mounting tabs on the amplifier itself for the end cap. So I have a dispute open with the post office, so we'll see how that goes. This one might have a dispute open with the post office on it too. So, of course, that's all going to come down to how it's packed. And right now, it doesn't look like it's going to be that greatly packed. So, eBay order, kind of neat. Paper doesn't do anything. Bubble wrap kind of helps a little bit. And there's some more paper inside there. The thing is that these have sharp corners on them, as you can see, or maybe not see. This is chewed up. Every one of these corners is chewed up where there's the mounting feet. So we'll open this up here. I always manage to get tape stuck to my fingers. You have issues with that, opening stuff? You ever get tape stuck to your fingers too? Anyway, back to the item. So I found this on eBay. Guy had it listed as not working, sold for parts. I think he had like 75 bucks on it. Free shipping. I asked the seller if he would take 50 bucks for it shipped, and he did. So I paid 50 bucks for it shipped. It was sold once again as parts, not working, so I'm not going to get my hopes up. The only thing that made me consider buying it was the fact that it still has speaker wires in it, and is it a power wire? Yeah. So my thought was that maybe it still works, and the guy didn't have any way to test it, which is what he said. He said he didn't have any way to test it. The seals on this amplifier have not been broken, so that's a good thing. It's clean. Looks clean. It's a 160.4. Thought I heard something in there rattling. Just the bottom case. So, real quick video, 160x4. I'll get it tested, make sure that it works, and yeah. So another amplifier for the collection. I have end caps that are going to go with it. I have those off screen over here somewhere, and I'll throw those on there if it works. If not, then I'll send it out, maybe get it fixed or take a look at it, try to see if I can fix it, and go from there. So real quick video. Have a good one, guys.